Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, November 7th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Canadian, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34-video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So anyways, on the dollar CAD, I still think this is likely a wave A, and I still think this is likely an A, 3 waves down a B, and then back up again for an A, B, C, a B, and eventually I do think it is going to go down and make the much larger wave C. I think that we still need to go down and make the wave C of B, like I've been originally thinking. Heading down to the weekly time frame. Now, the US dollar index actually doesn't really agree with this analysis. The US dollar index looks like it might just keep on going up, and that means that this could possibly just keep on going up also. So we do have to be aware of that. But to me, it still looks like a possible 5 ways down for A. It looks like A, B, C up for a possible B, and if that is the case, then this likely could turn down for a wave C of wave B, which should take out both of these lows. So let's head down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, like I said, this may be a wave B of wave C, and if it is, then it will start a brand new downtrend, which most likely would probably last a month or two. Now, we don't really know that that is true, and the US dollar index doesn't really agree with that, so we may actually just end up getting a correction to this move up. We may just end up getting 3 waves down to a Fibonacci level, maybe something like this, and continuing the uptrend. So we definitely need to pay attention to structure, pay attention to our Fibonacci levels, and if it makes an ABC down to a Fib level and turns back up, we should better recognize that. If it doesn't, then we also should better recognize that also, and if it just keeps on going down. Heading down to the 4 hour time frame, we definitely did get a break of structure. We do have a little bit of a double top, lower high type thing going on right here. So I am still hopeful that this is going to start a move to the downside for either an ABC of B or an ABC of 2. Or this is going to be a complete trend reversal and it's just going to start a brand new downtrend. So let's take it right down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame. Now on the 1 hour, I got my Fibonacci retracement on this whole move up right here because for whatever reason, if this move down is a correction to this move up, then we need to be able to recognize that also, and potentially maybe even go long again if it makes 3 waves to a Fibonacci level and turns back up. But to me, it looks like this is possibly, even though it's very steep, it definitely did make 3 waves. And to me, this move down is more like a trend. So I'm still thinking that there's a very good possibility that this will just keep on going down. Technically, the trend may be argued is up still on the higher time frame, so we do have to be a little cautious, which is why we should be paying attention to our Fibonacci levels, just in case it does make like a double bottom Fibonacci bounce with a break of structure at a Fibonacci level. We do have FOMC interest rate news tonight for the US dollar, and I will be live streaming for that news event at 6:45 UK time, GMT +1. So anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner, and as always, thank you and happy trading.